Hello everybody, my name is Rohan Bellikatti. I am the Managing Director of LAMILUX India Pvt. Limited. Today we are going to do a small demonstration of how a bus roofing is done at Prawaas. We will be showing you how easy and efficient the product is and how beneficial and more advantageous the product is. So without any ado, I would like to say that we'll start doing the roofing. This is a small prototype of a bus roof, how it is, the skeleton structure is with an aluminium frame. We have used some plastic tape so that we'll be doing the trial demo for the next 3 days. That's the reason. Usually the sealant is used directly to glue on the frame structure. You can see we have pasted double-sided tapes which are about 2 mm thick material, which is used as a spacer as well as to have the initial strength when the gluing application takes over from the sealant initial strength to the final strength. So this acts as an intermediate bonding agent to hold the frame intact for some time. So going further, we'll be doing the application of sealant. We can use the sealants. We are using today. We are going to use Sikaflex 258 EP, which is used for bonding of GRP material directly to frame structures, which is widely used in almost all the bus or building bodybuilding companies. Along with this, we also use, we recommend to use primer where on the frame structure directly, not on the GRP, but on the frame structure. Proper cleaning has to be done. These are the do's and don'ts which are required to be done during an application. Clean it with cloth or a cleaning agent which is required from Sika or any other companies which are used. And then it has to be dust free area, and then we will now we'll proceed with the gluing application. This is very much important to just demonstrate, to tell you that there's a V-notch here on the dispensing nozzle, which is required to form a triangle of sealant, which is required, and then it will be used. This is a pneumatic electrical gun which is used for dispensing. You can see that now dispensing has reached a point where we can start gluing the application. The tapes are used on the inner side of the roof, and the sealant is used on the exterior side of the roof, because once you press it, the sealant makes sure that the water seepage or water leakage doesn't happen. So this is the way the roofing has to be done to make sure that the roof is leak free. This gun has a suckback property wherein it doesn't allow excess glue to flow out, which is a good aspect for us. We will be changing the cartridge right now. Most importantly, I just want to reiterate, there has to be a consistency of the sealant. A straight line is always preferred because of the space constraint. You can see a little bit of waviness which is there, but usually it's always better to have a single straight triangle sealant application. We have covered up the sealant application right now. The next step is we remove the double-sided tape sealant which is there. So usually the weight of a bus roof for a 12 meter is around 290 to 300 kilograms for the roof, but with our GRP it is around 86 to 90 kilograms. So straight away if you look at a 200 kg saving straight away with just a change of bus roof from GI sheets or any other material which currently they are using to GRP sheets. The application of a roof will take around 25 minutes to 30 minutes, whereas the conventional way of welding and doing the application takes around 4 to 5 hours. So the productivity of the manufacturer for the OEMs, it's important that they can focus on the materials. Right now at Prawaas, almost all the vehicles which are here have used LAMILUX GRP as the solution for their bus roofing, which itself speaks volumes about the material. The next one what we are going to do is get the bus roofing and then gluing it on top. Here we will just be doing a normal cleaning of the GRP. We are not going to use any cleaning agents to clean. Just a normal cotton waste will do the job for us. So now we will be using a roller to make sure that the glue is uniformly applied and pressed, having a uniform distribution load. This here you can see a protecting film which is always comes with GRP, making sure that all the dust or anything, any sort of sealant which is applied or excess sealant which is there can be removed when this sheet is removed. So we will use the roller, making sure it is uniformly pressed and pressure is applied uniformly. This is important where the sealant oozes out from the corner, making sure that ensuring there will be no leakages for the bus roofs. So when you make sure that the pressing is properly done, the glue makes sure that the strength is achieved. I think this is how I would like to sum up that a roof is done in a short way, and then before dispatch of the vehicle, these kind of sheets removed so that you get a better surface inside. Excess sealant which is there, or there are any chances of some stains or something, can be removed using a cleaner directly. And that's how I would like to sum up, saying that how easy, how efficient, and the roof can be done using LAMILUX GRP. Impact resistance, hail resistance, you can get it in any RAL code color. Most importantly, it is lightweight, having a very low density as compared to steel. So overall, one of the best products LAMILUX has for bus roofing. Go for it. Thank you.